Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. Windows 11 is already a game changer, right? But it looks like it's about to get even better. If the rumors are right, there are loads of upgrades coming soon to your operating system. There's an improved snipping tool with text actions that lets you copy text straight from a screenshot. A new quick redact function makes it easy to hide sensitive information. And a new phone link feature makes syncing with Android devices seamless. Your Photos app is now smarter than ever too. A new background blur option has been added for a professional touch, as well as a content search capability that lets you search photos based on content and location, even across Apple's iCloud. Editing video is going to become easier too. There's no official date for these features yet, but if you haven't already upgraded to Windows 11, now's the time. We can help with that. Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.